Hello, this is Peter, Man King Homestead. Today's Tuesday. We got some wet, heavy snow today. Temperature right around the freezing mark. They didn't pick me up for physical therapy this morning. They called and said they were canceling due to the weather. But I hope they can get me there Friday, because Friday's waffle day. About every 6 weeks, there's a guy comes in and makes homemade waffles. So I want to make sure I'm there for that. Hopefully the snow stops soon, because it's a very wet, heavy snow. I would estimate probably about 6 inches so far. It's bringing a lot of trees down. There's some power outages. So it's not good. My generator was scanned in Indiana last night. So it's getting a little bit closer. It looks like it should get to me by Thursday. Indiana's not really all that far away, so I don't see a problem with that. That will be nice to have that again, that's for sure. I'm sitting here enjoying my heat today. I got a donation in my PayPal, so I definitely have enough money to put an order into Aldi's now, pay the delivery fee on that. But I didn't do that today because I wasn't going to ask anyone to get out on the roads today to bring me groceries that I don't really need today. So if it's better tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. If not, I can wait till Thursday. It's just a matter of not having quite the variety that I want, but I sure have enough food so I'm not going to starve for a couple days. The battery went dead in my phone today, so I didn't get any of the snow filmed. So it's a little bit breezy out there now. Hopefully it doesn't all blow off the trees tonight. And then in the morning, I'm going to try to get some filming of the snow done. I got one of my batteries charged up today, and the other one's up there charging right now. He's going to bring that back to me in the morning. So I should have enough battery power to make it through tomorrow with no problem. All the animals are doing well. The chickens have gotten used to the snow finally, now that winter is almost over. They're out wandering through the snow just like it's not even there. First part of the winter, they really didn't want to have anything to do with the snow, but they've gotten used to it now. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.